Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faradila Salsala Agnia, and today I'm going to explain about Insau. Unit 29 to 32. Poetry, once spoken and performed, have been delivered mainly to the eye, while lyrics are delivered mainly to the ear. This has led to the use of complex language, ambiguity, multiple meanings, and intricate metaphor in poetry. Lyrics can depend on the reader's ability to stop, go back, or even look upwards while reading the poem. This allows them to use less familiar words, ambiguity, and multiple meanings, adding a new level of emotion. Phrasing, form, and poetic matter add to this musical underpinning. For example, William Butler Yeats' poem After Long Sighs uses the scan to create deep on color, creating tone and depth. The rhythm scheme adds another undertone, creating a feeling of longing and adding emotion to the rest of the poem. Lyric can be simpler and more straightforward, with extra color given by notes, relationship to other notes, and rhythm. The words themselves get a lot of help, as seen in Smokey Robinson's My Girl. Flash fiction has become a significant global genre, with writers specializing in short stories of varying lengths. The rise of flash fiction can be attributed to changing lifestyle, attention spans, instant gratification, and the influence of technology and new media on reading habits. The genre ability to be read quickly, often in less than a minute, allow for great beauty and intensity of effect, but also poses challenge for writers. Writing flash fiction is easy as it requires meeting specific formal constraints, such as fewer words than novels. However, flash fiction writers know that every word must earn its keep, and meeting these constraints produce unique solution. The genre is widely accepted, with various terms used to differentiate between different slangs. Editors, competition, and critics disagree on the length of flash fiction, with popular limits being words when writing and submitting flash fiction to magazine and competition. It is important to pay attention to the word limit, as it can help unlock new ways of writing. The author discusses the concept of experimental writing, which involves creating something from whatever is found, often without knowing what to call it. This approach is often seen as a public, critical, or personal act, but it can also be seen as non-traditional. The term experimental writing emerged from the scientific work of French psychologists in Second Empire Paris, which challenged the paradigm of medicine as intuitive, quasi-religious art. The scientific method was used to test hypotheses in controlled laboratory conditions and going on the evidence, challenging prevailing norms. This objectivity and materialism challenged prevailing norms and allowed practitioners to set a notion of what should happen in favor of a balloon realism. The author argues that the term experimental writing has evolved over time, with the term gaining more prominence with the work of Emile Zoll. This new form of writing challenges traditional norms and allows for a more nuanced and challenging approach to understanding the world around us. Critical writing and creative writing are often seen as separate and contrasting activity, with creative writing being imaginative and subjective, and critical writing being interpretive and descriptive. However, creative critical habits have merged the two, challenging the polarization and highlighting the intellectual work of creative writing and its engagement with philosophical, cultural, and political systems. These hybrids challenge the convention of critical writing. And suggest ways to incorporate creative writing technique. Critical study and creative practice are broad as areas that give rise to various approaches to writing. Literature has always fusioned the critical and creative with ideas, however, by other philosophical, sociological, psychological, or political systems. However, creative critical hybrids often have a more overt and direct critical component. Allowing ideas to be presented and discussed without dramatic or functional mediation. The rise of hybrid writing has been partly due to change within the university environment, where literature now has two main trajectories: critical studies and creative writing. The evolution in writing relates to broader issue about the relationship between creative and critical writing. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.